Hi, my name is Kevin Battersby with BattersbyGolf.com here in Coconut Creek, Florida. In this clip, I'm going to show you how to figure out your golf handicap. When figuring out your golf handicap, you take your scorecard, and there's two vital elements you need to find on the scorecard. Number one, that would be the course rating to the slope of the golf course. Now, over the years, the course rating has been established as a number. Let's say your golf course is a par 72, and on this course, the course rating is 74.4. That indicates that when they came in to rate the golf course, that actually you must have had several holes on the course that are tougher than what they gave you for the par. So the rating is actually 74.4. Over the last 10 years or so, they've come up with a new rating called the slope rating. And these are all to help you when you play in tournaments, or you go to gamble, or you go to a different golf course and play with your friends, that there can be some kind of equity and some kind of fairness to each golfer when they're playing, so that for the purpose of tournaments. When you are computing your golf handicap, after you have identified the course rating and the slope, you would subtract the course rating from your score. Then you would multiply that number times 113. Dividing that number now by the slope, which we talked about, will give you what's called a differential. Okay, you take that differential and multiply it by 0.96, because you're not ever really getting 100% of the over par in your scores. So for instance, if you were a 12, if your differential were 12, your handicap might be an 11 point something, or possibly 10.9. So for example, on our scorecard, you've now computed your handicap and it's a 5. On the scorecard, you'll notice that there's an area for the handicaps. And on the holes that say 5, 1, and 3 on the front 9, those would be your handicap holes where you would get a stroke. On the back side, or the other side of the card, since you're a 5, there are going to be two more handicaps, a 2 and a 4, that would comprise the holes that you're also getting a stroke to, again, make it more equitable for the players and for your tournaments. This is Kevin Battersby showing you how to compute your handicap.